The Weeping Rain, a poem by Clay Beatles. Clouds fill and winds blow, a blue sky now gray. Tears fall as puddles grow, silence sighs in dismay. The willow weeps and dances so, rains drown and waters flow. Now here I stand, alone, watching rain pour, lost in drizzling sound, pondering a moment more, disconnected from the around, not wanting to face life's grip, needing to release this pain, hoping rain will cause to slip a truth that I may gain. A flash in the sky, thunderous claps come from afar, hands tremble as I try not to relive this forgotten scar. Gray goes black, more tears do fall. It's coming back, fear and all. The sky now weeps, a heart breaks in two. With one fell sweep, I cry out to you. I hope you enjoyed The Weeping Rain, a poem by Clay Beatles. Thank you.